So here's a question. What is this equal sign in this code? And what is the purpose? What is the use case of this equal sign inside this f string in this piece of code? So as you can see, I have defined two variables, x and y, and suppose that I want to print something like this, x equals to, and then the value of x. So in order to do so, we have two ways that we can do so. One of them is very simple. We can use this kind of f string. So x is equal to, and the x variable. So now if I run the code, you can see we get the same output. But there is another way which is better and more easier, and that is putting an equal sign after the name of the variable. And if you do so, it automatically says x is equal to, and then the value of the x variable. So for example, if you change it to, I don't know, 25, and if you run the code, you can see again it says x is equal to 25. And for example, let's test that for the y variable as well. So if you do so, you can see it says y is equal to hello. But let's say we want to have a space after this y variable. So in order to do so, you should put a space here. And now if I run the code, you can see now we have a space here. And maybe you say, I want to have a space after the equal sign as well. There's no problem. You can do so as well. So you can put a space here. And now if I run the code again, you can see now we have that space as well. So to make the story short, as you can see, this is equivalent to typing something like this. But as you can see, Python provided this kind of syntax in order to make this printing, which we use a lot of times, much easier. By the way, on this channel, I publish short and to the point tutorials like this one about Python. So if you're willing, I suggest subscribing to the channel so you don't miss similar videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.